The Kaziranga University, one of the promising universities in Northeast India. Today, the 8th of July 2022, organized an interactive session on careers in a competitive world at Don Bosco Youth Center, Mukra. There were around 20 students who came to this career counseling. Speaking to Don Bosco Media Network, the Dean of the University, Professor Bobby Roy, said that this university offers a 100% scholarship merit-based scholarship scheme, which includes meritorious students, sports quota, persons with disabilities, and ward of defense personnel. And also, it does assure 100% placements to students.
I am the Chief Marketing Officer and Dean Admissions for Kaziranga University, which is located in Jorhat in Assam, very close to Meghalaya. We are bordering with you, and we are having the Kaziranga University is a career university which has been operational since the last 10 years, and we ensure that students who join us, they develop a career for themselves. See, we have been operational in Assam and other parts of Northeast for the last 10 years, and we have created a university which is called the Career University of the Northeast. The reason is that we want to create a career for not the students of Assam, but for the entire Northeast. And now that we have completed 10 years, we are in a position to say yes, we have one of the best universities in the Northeast. And since it is created for the students of Northeast, I would like the students from Meghalaya to take advantage of this wonderful university which is located very close to Meghalaya. Now that we have come to Meghalaya, I would like to tell you that the purpose of coming here is to first of all tell people that what we are. Now this university which has been existent has a world-class infrastructure, world-class labs, and we are one of the best pan-India. And we would like the students from Meghalaya, which I find that the students from Meghalaya are pretty bright, they are very intelligent, but only thing what they lack is a little scope and exposure. And here we have come to give them the exposure, telling them why Kaziranga University is probably the best option available for them. And along with that, I have come with a package of scholarships, which I will definitely try and tell people how they can utilize it. See, overall we have about 35 students from across not only the Northeast, but we also have pan-India students, but mostly the students are from Northeast. Yes, over the years, every year we get a batch of students from Meghalaya, which we have students from engineering, we have students in management, we have students in basic sciences from places like Tura, Jovai, and of course Shillong. Right now, if you say our intake, which has been a little low for the last 2 years for the COVID, yes, but still we had about 60 enrollments last year. And overall, we can say that about 150 plus students are already studying currently in Kaziranga University. Kaziranga University has always given a lot of importance to merit. And over the years, we are providing up to 100% scholarship for meritorious students. There are a lot of students, because of financial handicaps, very bright, very brilliant students, who cannot pursue their education because of lack of financial abilities. Now we would like to promote these students, and for which we have brought in a scholarship for the meritorious students, which goes up to 100%, which means 100% waiver on the tuition fees. Apart from that, we also have brought in a scholarship for the sports fraternity. There are a lot of students in Meghalaya who are actively involved in various sports and as well as other playing things. We give up to 100% scholarships based on what is the level of their sports performances. Apart from that, we also have scholarships for the ward of defense, because people who are serving the country, it's our moral obligation to serve them also. And we bring in a scholarship of about 25% waiver for the ward of the defense personnel. And also we have some scholarship for physically handicapped people. Okay, this is a wonderful question, because this is the first question I normally receive, but you are asking me at the last topic. Yeah. Yes, Kaziranga University has created a niche for itself by providing 100% placements for its BTech and MBA students, and about 95% of the students for the other courses. The reason that we say 100%, there are a lot of students who go for higher studies and all, but most of the students who come to Kaziranga University, they prefer to opt for jobs. And here we have a dedicated placement cell which provides the basic training for placements and also provides the platform where companies from various industries, they come to the campus every year and recruit all our students. It is not that I can say that they will get a job on the first interview, but it becomes our responsibility to ensure they get the job even if it is after 10 interviews.
Companies like what recruit
We
students?
have, I'm very proud to say that we have the big four companies of the world, KPMG, Deloitte, Ernst& Young, they come and recruit for our universities. Apart from that, top corporates, right from airlines to banks to public sector to private sector, they do come and recruit students of Kaziranga University.